Forget textbooks. We found a cheat code for Korean fluency, and it's hidden inside fascinating approach to language learning.
Yeah, our mission today is to look at sources that gratitude or joy,
Mm.
you cement it in your memory way better than just reading it off a list.
So you get new, and the consensus across all the sources is just overwhelming. If you're going to start this journey, you start with sun.
For a beginner.
Right.
But because Sunflower sings so softly, so
The syllables.
you can hear individual syllables, connection words, all of it. It's effective pronunciation training, just
Words. You're getting this insight into the core values that underpin every day. It's a view of, what, 3 decades of Korean cultural evolution?
at least, completely. It focused almost entirely on emotional
Memory music.
Exactly. They're beloved by the generation that grew up in the 80s and 90s, in a love letter or a formal speech, not in a coffee shop with friends.
So we're not learning how to
Can sometimes feel too blunt or casual. By swapping the person with a concept